Chapter number 8, où allez-vous? And we are going to revise les prépositions de lieu. That means the preposition of place. Now, there are two types of prepositions. The lieu, one is du and one is a. So, both of these are having different kinds of verbs which we will be using. The preposition du ou the is used whenever we are going to talk about going, expressing coming from a place or belonging to that place. There we are going to use this. And what are the verbs here? Verbs are venir and être. And if I talk about the conjugation of these two verbs, what is the conjugation? These are my subjects. Je, tu, il, elle. Nous, vous, il, and elle. In venir verb, the conjugation is vient. This is the conjugation. Vient, 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 veno, vene, and vieno. Yes. And if I talk about the verb être, je suis, tu es, il est, elle est. Nous sommes, vous êtes, ils, elles sont. Venir means to come. Venir means to come and être means to be. So that what I was saying, that coming from a place or belonging to that particular place, then we are going to use the preposition du. Now, what are the conjugations? What are the places where we are going to use? See to it. Du is used with masculine countries. Masculine countries as well as continents. Whether the continent is masculine, feminine, whatever it is, then we are going to use the preposition du. De, the is used with feminine countries and cities. Delhi, Paris, etc. etc. Then des is used with all the plural countries. And the last is the apostrophe countries or cities starting with vowel. Is it clear? Now just take the example. Means these two verbs will be mentioned and you have to take care about this. Du used with masculine countries and continents. The is used with feminine countries and cities. They is used with plural countries. And the apostrophe is used with countries or cities starting with vowel. Now just take the example. I'm rubbing these two verbs. Take the example of du. Mozambique. Tu viens. Dash Mozambique. Mozambique is though ending with E, but this is masculine. This is an exception, which is given on page number 97. Le Zaire, Le Mexique, Le Mozambique, and Le Zimbabwe. Though these four countries are ending with E, but they are masculine countries. Okay. So with this, you can see the verb is venir. That means coming from the place. So tu viens dash Mozambique. You are coming from Mozambique. Okay. Venir verb hai. So Mozambique is masculine. With masculine countries, we are going to put due. If here the verb would be tu a dash Mozambique. This means you belong to Mozambique. Same, we are going to put du here. Means whether the verb is venir or être in the sentence, and you have to check the countries that are masculine, feminine, vowel or plural. Next is the. Il est dash Belgique. He belongs to Belgium. Il est the Belgique. Okay? Nous venons de Belgique. We are coming from Belgique. Okay? So this Belgique is ending with E. So this is a feminine country. So here we are going to put DE. Next, for the plural countries, else, venons, de, Pays-Bas. Verb is venir and Pays-Bas is the plural country. Okay? If here I would be talking about il a dash Paris. Paris is a city, so again here we are going to put DE. With cities and feminine countries, we are going to put DE. Next, with plural countries, DES. And with vowel countries or cities, starting with vowel. Means, let us take the example, vous, venez, the apostrophe and. India is vowel country, so we have placed the apostrophe here. I hope it is clear. Now preposition AU and EN. AU used with masculine countries, EN is used with feminine countries, plus continents, plus masculine countries which are starting with vowel. Next, AUX is used with plural countries and A is used with cities. And what are the verbs here? Habiter, vivre and aller. Here I am writing verb habiter, j'habite, E, ES, E, ONS, EZ and ENT. This is the verb conjugation of habiter. Next is vivre, VIS, VIS, VIT, vivons, vive, vivo. Next is aller, je vais, tu vas, il va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont. So these are the conjugation of three verbs. Next, I'm just giving you the example. Aller means to go. Whenever we are going to talk about to go to some place, किसी भी country या किसी भी city में हम जाने की बात कर रहे हैं, and that particular sentence is containing verb aller. इनमें से कुछ भी है after the subject. Or habiter means to live and vivre means to live. Means any of the verb from these two, habiter and vivre means the same, to live. If you are living in that particular country or city, or if you are going to that particular country or city, then you are going to use preposition the u, au and en. Now, I am saying j'habite dash France. France is j'habite dash Japan. I live in Japan. Japan is masculine country and here the verb is habiter. AU will be the answer. J'habite au Japon. Je vis dash France. France is feminine. En, en France. If I am talking about any of the continent, name any one continent. Continent.
Europe, America, America, South America, Asia.
Asia. Okay. Je vais dash Asia. So en Asia. Okay. So with continents and feminine countries, we are going to use en. J'habite dash États-Unis. I live in United States of America. So this is the plural country. AUX will be placed. And je vais dash Paris. I am going to Paris. Paris is a city. With city we are going to use A apostrophe. Clear?